Bhima Holgir. My school name is Jilla Pachor Primary School, Kanarwadi. Respected sir, madam, and my friend. Today is Independence Day. Our Indian festival, India Independence, on 15 August 1947. Our freedom fighter gives their life for mother and Bharat Mata. I tell you about Lokmanya Bahadur Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak was great India. Like they write in about, they start Kesari and Maratha newspaper. They write in about British Empire, open eyes, didn't British are our enemy, so they left our and go there, and so they start festival of Ganpati Utsav and Shiv Jayanti Utsav. They write in Naval Mandal Jail, name of Gita Rasya, Lokmanya Brown in Ratnagiri, 23 July